Welcome viewers. In this short tutorial, I am going to show how to write a YouTube video script using ChatGPT. At first, open ChatGPT. I am using ChatGPT APK. After that, click on message button and write a YouTube video script about this topic, and then use a emoji or inverted comma and then write your topic. My topic is how to create animated video using AI tools. And then ChatGPT will give you the video title and the whole script. This is a very unique script, and you can use this script to create a video. And that is how to write a YouTube video script using ChatGPT.